Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing two Rokform cases and attachment accessories. So we have the case for the iPad that you just saw, and then here we have the iPad Kickstand grip. There's another grip that we'll be showing in a future video, so be sure to watch that. It's also compatible with the same case, and this case is the rugged iPad case. It fits iPad Air 4, 5, and 11 Pro. It has powerful magnets, twist lock mounting system, and it's ruggedized, drop resistant for 6 feet. So it comes with this piece pre-installed. We'll pop that out in just a moment. We'll show you what this is over here. It's basically the Apple Pencil holder that goes in right there. And this is the interlocking system port right here. You can see inside the honeycomb. This is more of a fabric area. This is more of a hardened plastic silicone base. It's all protecting of the backside of your iPad, and up here as well. There's also an extra raised piece here to keep the iPad steady and sturdy inside, and all of the cutout ports that you would need for the sensors. I'm going to show you some more details about what this has to offer right here. You can pause anytime, take a look, but as you can see, it has an easy spot for your Apple Pencil too. It's a holder. It has the anti-slip grip on the sides, and corner protection as well, which you need for these bigger iPads because you will drop them at some point. And dropping them and breaking it's not good. So here's the case. Here's all the way around the case. Here's the bottom of the case. So you have your port for charging and your speaker and your microphones as well. And then up here, switch port. And on the back, you have cluster protection for your cameras. And now this part comes out. Just pops right out. So this is where we're going to set up the stand, the iPad Kickstand grip. So it has this interlocking piece right here. Now what we're going to do, it says to set this up on a flat surface, rotate it like that, and then we're going to get it into place. Okay, now we've twisted it on place. And here it is, the kickstand grip. So you can grip it like that. You can grip it like this. It's also a kickstand, so you can have it up like that. And again, this is for the iPad Air 4 and 5 and the iPad 11 Pro. Here it is right there, and you can also do it like this. So portrait and landscape mode for the iPad system right there. And you can get this now from Rokform, and there's also another handle which we'll show in a future video. So please join us again. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.